Ukongsan ke Italia Tourism Development Corporation Mtdc usalang sangma ula pentip bay ka Crowborough Hotel on sa IT no ka sarkar na du mentau snem. Haka jingekran bakilat pathai kubor usang maula ong baka sarkar kay le shitom ban pendep no iki project badang sa. Shushu la ong baya ka Umiam Lake Resort ka sarkar kan bu de ki Jingpynbyrnia ki balak ban kring yu pajba kum ka paragliding, jet ski, cable cars, bat ka restaurant ka pair halor
like cable car, jet ski, parasailing and all, and then some sort of a floating restaurant. Now floating restaurant, we have not managed to complete it. We have told the contractor, especially the Clackhorn, the firm Clackhorn from the Calcutta. So we have pushed him hard, and then I think maybe by this year, by next few months, he will be finishing that one, and then definitely we can have that a restaurant inaugurated as soon as possible. In the meantime, our government has already sanctioned for the paragliding, which is very good. It will be more like a colorful for this year, and then even the jet ski also. People will have a good experience for this jet ski. I think these are the attractions that we have created so far by Mtdc. I think I'm proud to say that in my time we have both the jet ski and the parasailing. I'm very proud. Now it's already sanctioned this 1-2 days back only. So we are on the process is started. Maybe in a few once everything started, we have already identified the what do you call this one, 2 firms also. So maybe within this month itself, I think we can we can inaugurate also. You never know, because it's a product, no? So we might be bringing some. So we are examining which are the area that would be good. For example, we have already proposed for that Umiam Lake itself. From that you have seen that convention center. From that convention center area, we will the stretch will go up to that island. So that is still on the lookout, because it's about it's about the risk factor also. So by chance, if we just make it just like that, it might not be good for the future. So like Brahmaputra, you have seen, I think so. So likewise, we will have it here. Maybe better than that one, because the scene area is much beautiful than that Brahmaputra. Yeah, Crowborough. Now we are also pushing really hard. This Crowborough is one of the longest one of the people used to say it's like a white lion like that. So, but now I think even that Taj Bimata, they have already appointed what do you call this one? The general manager for all those inventories and all. I think he has started what do you call this one? For the furniture, this and that. I think he is already on job for that. Though I have not met the general manager yet. But those Aura group people who are looking after the construction part, they have already told me. And then we have seen that he has already been appointed out here. So that way, I think we were supposed to, I think by this year itself, definitely before the end of this year, I think by September, they will be handing over. We are targeting that, we have told them pushing hard, at least before the August 15, if we could, if we could, inaugurate that one. Had the same problem, but we have already told them to speed it up. So people want to see the light of the day.